Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this air mattress, inflatable air mattress actually, that this man sent to me for this video. I want to show it to you in a few seconds. I do want to show you that first of all it comes with this carry-on bag, so you can take it with you on the go if you're going for like camping, hiking, fishing, just going to the beach, or just crashing places like friends and family, because this one is actually one that supports 400 pounds, so that's actually a pretty good amount of weight, but also comes with something that I'm going to show you that makes it to be more distinguished from some of the other. It comes with a mattress topper, something that I never seen before in any inflatable mattress. Let me actually take it out of the bag, and then we're going to inflate it because it comes with an included air pump that is inside of the actual mattress, and then we'll go from there. So as you can see over here, this one comes with the air pump right here, which is included with a power cable that actually it's quite long. I have to say I wasn't expecting to be this long because some of the other ones that I tried before, the cable is actually pretty short, but this one comes with the air pump right here, and right here you're gonna find the valve to actually deflate it if you need, or once that you're done with it and you want to pack it back and put it in your SUV or your car or something like that, you can actually deflate it with this. But also this one comes with a deflate and the inflate right here, and you can use this one to inflate as well with an electric air pump if you have one of those like USB rechargeable or something like that, and you can inflate and deflate with the valve as well, which now is on off. So let's actually use this one right now. I'm gonna take the time and see how much it takes to inflate this twin mattress with a mattress topper. This is insane. How tall this thing is 20 inches tall. This is by far the I think it is by far the tallest one that I ever tried. And this one is 75 inches by 39 inches, and you can see how tall this thing is. Insane how tall it is. I also like the fact that it comes with a zipper right here for the topper, so you can actually remove it, and if you need, you can wash it as well. So having the chance to remove this and still been using it, like for example, if you have if you're using this for kids or something like that, and you know sometimes accident happens, so you can actually remove this, which by the way is extra mega fluffy and thick, which I was not expecting this to be this thick and this fluffy. Let me actually try it with you right now. Like as I was telling you before, I can't believe how fluffy this one is right here on top, but also how resistant this is. 20 inches tall. It's insane. It's so tall, but it's not super bouncy, I have to say. It's more like firm than anything else. And then you can see I'm 5'10". I weigh 190 pounds. This one supports 400 pounds, but you can see that I fit perfectly here, and I still have some more room, so I'm thinking that this one could be good for people up to 6.1, 6.2, I want to say, because I still have much room here as well. But this is so good. I'm actually shocked and surprised in how comfortable this thing is and how fluffy this topper is right here, how soft it is as well. And then it comes with a zipper, and 400 pounds and 20 inches. Come on, this is a must-have for the just going camping and putting this in a tent, or just crashing friends and family houses, or if you're kind of like hoping or just like waiting for someone to come and you're hosting like friends and family, or they have kids or something like that, or it's just like one person. I think this is a really good thing to have for those situations. I'm just gonna give it my huge thumbs up, because then when I'm done, I can just like pop that valve again and hit it on deflate, and this thing will deflate in super fast. Which by the way, inflating it was less than 3 minutes. I'm not joking, it was less than 3 minutes. This is awesome, really good. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.